Alright, in this video I'm going to review two of my triggered trade within the list of power trigger trade and power plan trades. Alright, so let's go down to my stream here, people, and let's go to the case in point. Alright, now CRBP, I posted this on my stream on September 29th, so let's go to September 29th because that's where we're going to see everything. Now, Netflix and CRB were in a list. I might as well tell you the story while I'm here. CRB and Netflix were in a list of 4 stocks posted on StockTwits for Power Trigger Trade, and 4 stocks posted inside my group called Power Plan Trades. Now, out of these 8 stocks, 2 stocks triggered. And let's talk first about the one that we're going to scroll down to. Well, you'll see this for yourself. So I'll show you this here. Now, I also posted an AKO on Power Trigger Trade. And this didn't trigger this week. Still could, though. Still a watch. I posted ARRY. You can click on that. And that didn't trigger. But I posted also CRBP. And that was September the 29th. So let's click on this. This is what happens when you click on the chart. You click on it. And then you open it up, and this was the plan. Okay, days before it actually moved, right? And the key to my system is following the instructions inside of the plan and learning how to take action. And the only way you're going to learn to do that is by always studying and following the plans that I post between Power Trigger Trade and Power Plan Trades. All right, now, so let's go over what I said here. I said CRBP is set up to test $10 to $12 a share. This is a buy the share plan. When I post targets like that, that's because I expect the stock to make a good move. And you want to know what it did? Well, it did make a pretty good move, and it's still going to make another move, but that's not part of what this video is about. I said CRBP needs to break above 750 on some good action volume. Good action volume is 400K on a 15-minute chart. If the volume is less than that, look for basing above 750 and a power push towards 8. Well, whether you got in at 750, which is not where it really triggered, it really was clear. It triggered in between the zone of 750 to 8. It was very clear. And then that day when it triggered, it zoomed to a high of, I think, 9. Give me 1 second here. All right, this is a stock chart of CRBP. So the day it triggered on, and it was right here, okay, which was the October the 5th. So a few days. So here was September the 28th. This day here, and we channeled, and they had now it opened 755, right? And there you have it. So when it got close to these highs, right? I mean, right around, and then of course, by the way, it hit a high of 978. So if you entered in that's a $1.78 move, and you know what? Look at this thing here. It's held its gains. It's held its gains. Setting up for higher. But there you have it, a winner straight out of the gate. One out of all the ones I posted on Power Plan. Let's go back to Power Plan Trades, people. I mean, Power Trigger Trade, people. So let me close this here. Okay. Let's go back here. And of course, these are still good trades that could trigger if you want to buy the shares, AKO. And then I posted also DDD. This isn't triggered, still good. LLY, right? So that's what I posted. None of them triggered. They didn't fall. They if you read the thing, they didn't do anything positive enough to really get into them. And I also posted a few of my plans inside of Power Plan Trades, which is really Power Target Trades, but Power Plan Trades is the extension into Power Target Trades. But anyways, the key is you need to know you got to go to Power Plan Trades first. Now, here was this plan, right? And this did about 100% on the options. A lot of people were trying to short this, where that was the mistake, where the money was made on the pop towards. Now, of course, this is I did not. I am out of this completely, but I did get my 100% and a little bit on the second trade on the NFLX. The key was that of the two triggered trades this week that we had, it was pretty choppy this market. These were two winners and nice gains. Okay, I mean a lot of day traders would die to make the kind of gains, but they're not mentally prepared like I teach my like my fault my now I call it my group. But they're serious followers, but a group, my group, Power Plan Trades group. These plans are all continuously instilled. I write down the plan, what we need to look for, the volume and the power and the pressure at key points, and you need to learn how to take action before you start to take any of my trades. You need to learn my system and following it to get so you are comfortable doing so. All right now, but again, just want to make a point here: two winning trades, right? And I make this trade to educate people. Again, to become, it's free to become to join my group. You just have to follow the rules. And so what you got to do is basically you want to see this video. Now, also, if you go on Twitter, Power Trigger Trade Twitter, to see the video, whatever pin tweet video it is, you see this you click and see this pin tweet video, and you listen to it, follow the instructions. Okay, yeah, follow the instructions, and everything will work itself out. Okay, people. But I wanted to educate people on what's going on. Again, if you don't want to join my group, that's all fine and dandy. But what I do suggest people do, because I don't want anybody in there. I want people that are really liking what I'm doing and they want to learn and improve themselves. Is check out my stream. What I do is I post a lot of facts, like see what I said about Apple. Check out all the videos. Just learn everything that I'm doing, because everything that you see posted on Power Trigger Trade can be viewed if you're inside my group, right? Because I post some stuff on Power Trigger Trade and some stuff in my group. When things succeed from Power Plan Trades, I post it on Power Trigger Trade. The move that happened afterwards, just like the Netflix one, right? Because I posted this inside of Power. Netflix was posted inside of Power Plan Trades, and then once the trade was successful, I posted on Power Trigger Trade for all my followers to see. But if you wanted to see this plan, you could have seen this plan if you were part of the group. So there you have it. Become part of the group, and check out my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades. Give me 1 second, I'll show you it. Yeah, so here's Power Target Trades. You can find that on YouTube, and you type in Power Target with a space Trades, and it'll bring you to that. You can check out a lot of my videos. Check out what I'm about. I'm not just about investing. I give a great message over here. You can check that out. And check out all my videos. All these plans. I explain everything, people. But everything that you see in these plans, in these videos, can be found, whether it can be found posted on Power Trigger Trade or inside of Power Plan Trades for the people who want to really join my group and are really serious about the market. Thanks for listening. Like the video.